Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Hire Katsu. Hire means fillet in Japanese. Pork tenderloin fillet pieces are breaded and deep fried. This katsu or cutlet is less fatty than regular tonkatsu made with pork loin. These are the ingredients. You can make quite a lot of bite-sized katsu pieces from 1 or 2 pork tenderloins. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Cut the pork tenderloin into 1 to 1.5 inch thick pieces. Sprinkle salt on the surface and sprinkle pepper too. Now we bread the meat with flour, egg, and panko just like making typical katsu. Coat the meat with all-purpose flour and dip in the egg. Then cover with panko breadcrumbs. And repeat. Heat the deep frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and drop the breaded meat one by one. We are using avocado oil, but any neutral flavored oil suited for frying will be fine. Turn once or twice and fry until the color turns golden brown and the meat floats in the oil, about 5 minutes. Remove from the oil and set the fried meat on a cooling rack for a minute and serve while it's hot. We typically serve tonkatsu with shredded cabbage. They go very well together. Pour tonkatsu sauce over or serve in a small plate with Japanese mustard if you like. Hire Katsu is crispy, tender, and flavorful. It's so good that everybody would love it. Try it for your next dinner.
美味しいね。